Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. 2024 is about to end within 8 minutes, and I know it's quite crazy. And please don't judge this lighting. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ये lighting की है, मैंने fan थोड़ा लगाया है, but I swear it's too hot. So apart from that, what am I gonna do today? पहले मैंने सोचा I'll do a video called as 24 things that 2024 taught me. So then I was like, let me just write down whatever I think I learned. So I have listed down some things. Okay, there are 15 things that I have learned so far from 2024, and not what I have learned, it's what 2024 has taught me. Yeah, that's the correct way to say it. So without wasting any further time, let's just begin with it. The first important thing that I learned in 2024 is don't follow your mood, follow the plan. You need to do smart work, not hard work. Smart work is what will get you there. I think people kind of underestimate themselves and they don't actually follow the things that they had, set up for themselves. Just remember, if you do this, if you work hard enough, one day you won't have to do so much. You won't have to work so hard. You would be that person what you have aimed for. What else do I have? The second important thing which I feel we all ignore is the importance of our family and our friends. But family always comes before friends. Okay, your family is not supporting you. In some cases they are not allowing you to do that. I do understand there are some restrictions and you sometimes feel like, why am I the only person going through it? But it's okay. I feel like whatever you choose, they always want what is best for you. I think it's New Year, सब पटाखे फोड़ रहे हैं. Oh, it's New Year. Happy New Year, guys. Oh my god, I didn't realize मेरा New Year ऐसे होने वाला. I didn't go anywhere. I have no New Year plans. I'm just sitting here in my room and recording a video. For God knows who's gonna watch it. But I feel now thoda audio में disturbance हो. I'm not going to stop. We'll continue this. Okay. So as I was saying, your family is the most important thing. Okay. Don't lose it. Don't have any grudges against them. There are many misunderstandings going on in families and stuff like that. But at the end, those are the people who will always mean so much to you, and no other person can replace your parents, your brother or your sister. They have their own place in your life and it's reserved. Give importance to your friends, especially to those people who have been with you not just in this year, not just in 2024, who have been with you throughout the years, throughout the phases of your life. Now, the third thing that I want to tell you guys is always dream big. Okay, there was this one person who told me that, we always set boundaries. We just think that there's a limit, to life. But you know what? The actual thing is, life is so much more. There are a lot of things, a lot of opportunities that are out there. Exactly, opportunities. The main aspect of life is to grab those opportunities. Just go in, just go crazy, just do anything that makes you happy. To the fourth point of this video, which is don't be with people who don't respect you. If they don't respect you, they don't deserve you. Just get that inside your head. Okay, there are billions of people on this entire planet. If this person doesn't respect you, there will be someone else who will respect you. Know you should be respected, so just leave and know your worth. Okay, don't compromise, don't settle for less. I have made mistakes in my life, but always try to improve yourself. That is what life is all about, right? Improving yourself and just being the best version of yourself. Don't lose yourself for someone who doesn't respect you. Just do your best. Now, the fifth important point is, can you guess? Maybe it's too soon. Well, I think this fifth point is what every person over here does, which is always comparing ourselves. Now, okay, maybe कुछ लोग नहीं करते रहेंगे, बट मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा कंपेयर किया खुद को, like especially in case of studies or any other sport activity or anything. But I think it's quite common, not only me but I think even you do the same. उसको नहीं फ़र्क पड़ता है तुम उससे आगे जा रहे हो, तुम उससे पीछे जा रहे हो, उसको ये फ़र्क पड़ता है कि उसने लाइफ में कुछ किया है कि नहीं, वो थोड़े महीनों पहले जिस स्टेज पे था उससे वो आगे बढ़ा है कि नहीं, लेवल 1 से लेवल 2 या लेवल 3 पे वो गया है कि नहीं. That is what matters to such people who are at the top 1% of this world. And obviously, who doesn't want to be in that top 1%, right? So maybe that is how I stopped comparing myself so much. The sixth important point is prioritizing your physical health, your mental health, and just in short, living at peace. Basically, what I mean to say is you are what you eat. It is true. I know बहुत लोग को भी स्ट्रेस होता है, बट इफ़ यू डोंट डील विद इट, इफ़ यू डोंट जस्ट सिट डाउन एंड थिंक अबाउट इट, इफ़ यू डोंट ट्राई टू नॉर्मलाइज इट, वो स्ट्रेस और ज़्यादा बिल्डअप होते जाता है एंड देन इट कॉजेज अ लॉट ऑफ पेन in your life, kind of, and you tend to suffer more in comparison to the past. Try to listen to some music, the type of music which you like, not the type of music which is trending right now, because I don't think that has the capability to calm you down. Okay, or watch a movie, do something which will actually make you happy, and that is how you can get rid of stress. What's the seventh thing that I actually learned in 2024? It has to be definitely me loving myself, me getting comfortable in my own skin, and just me embracing myself, because I am worthy. I think I do deserve a lot better, and I can do it. And you know what? You don't need anyone's approval. I do have many skin complications and I do suffer from acne. I have a very acne prone skin. So yeah, whenever I meet somebody, I'm just like, I'm not afraid to talk with that person, but I'm afraid that that person might think that maybe, I don't know, I feel like if someone has got acne or something, it's just it is a sign of being unhealthy. I don't know why, but I just feel it that way. But I don't think I am unhealthy, because I have actually changed my diet. I don't eat junk food so much, only weekends and all stuff. So I don't know what's the issue here. If I had to be very honest over here, people judge you. People will always come at you and talk about those things which you really really don't want to hear from anyone, even though you know it. But you don't want anyone to just come up to you and just say it, right? You won't like it. Even I don't like it, but this is what the people around you do. And ठीक है, अब मुझे आदत हो गई है, तो it's quite normal to have an acne prone skin, and I do know that one day I will have a glowy glassy skin, and yeah, I will actually know how to take proper care of myself. Right now I do follow some sunscreen ritual things, but yeah, maybe there's more to it. That was the seventh point, I suppose. But and I feel like I don't apply anything. कुछ नहीं है मेरे फेस पे, कुछ भी नहीं है, zero makeup, nothing. Okay, now I think it's the seventh point, maybe. Yeah, so the seventh point that I have actually learned is the importance of money in 2024. It is a harsh truth that people of my age, 19, 20, earning at this age, and definitely you will have a FOMO if you are not earning, right? When तुम्हें पता है कि वो जो पैसे हैं वो तुमने कमाए हैं, वो तुम्हारी मेहनत की कमाई है. So I do want to experience that kind of thing. I do want to know how it feels when you actually earn something and when you have to spend it. I think that is when so sorry for the background noise. I don't know how to edit it. Maybe I'll not be able to edit it. God knows what. It's oh wow, people have wished me New Year. Happy New Year, guys. It's 12:22. I don't know why I'm doing this, but yeah, I think in 2025 I would be rewatching this a lot. Okay, anyway, what was I talking about? The importance of money. So freelancers, some people are influencers, some have like done internships and stuff, so that is their source of income. And maybe I plan to have a source of income because I really don't want to, like, I don't know, at this point it feels like a burden to ask someone for money. It's not like I'm blaming my parents or anything, but it genuinely feels like I have reached a point where I can make money. The only thing that I have to do is learn how to actually earn, and it's never too late to learn something, right? You can always learn something. बस यही प्रॉब्लम है कि शायद सक्सेस ना हो, शायद मुझे पैसे ही ना मिले मेरे काम के लिए. But other than that, I don't think there's a risk in trying out these things. But whatever it is, money is quite important. I used to take it for granted sometimes. And the person who tells you पैसे से खुशी नहीं मिलती है, कौन कह रहा है तुम्हें ये? पैसे से सब मिलता है. Don't worry. Money is something that can create a family, that can break a family. Okay, you need to understand the importance of money. I want to earn right now, that is what I'm feeling like, but I don't know if I would actually do it. But yeah, I know right now that money is what will make you survive till the last. If you're an enthusiast like me, definitely I feel you, bro. And I think that in the next year we will definitely on. And coming to the eighth point, that is never to basically lower yourself down just because the other person has kept himself or herself higher. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि उस इंसान के लिए हमारी प्रायोरिटी बहुत ज़्यादा है. फ्रेंड के सिनेरियो में you think that एकदम besties हो, but in reality sometimes it's not like that. Sometimes that person isn't, keeping you at that level. That person doesn't think of you as a closer or we are besties. The moment you realize it, this thing, you need to start being at your limits. You need to start prioritizing yourself. Start learn ki okay, if this person doesn't think of me in that way, why should I think of it that way? Point ही नहीं है, right? Why are you just trying to make that person want you more or do this, do that? Just don't. Just stop it. You just have to know that you will get someone who knows your worth, who knows what you dream of, what you think you are, and I think that person would actually understand you, right? Don't rush yourself into anything. Till then, just keep on growing. I think मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें मिक्सअप करके बोल दी है. I am not at all following whatever I have written down here. 12:28. कोई आइडिया नहीं मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा वेला कौन होता है गाइज. दिस इज़ हाउ आई एम स्पेंडिंग माई न्यू ईयर. वाओ, अमेजिंग. ओके, अदर दैन दैट आई थिंक मैंने 8 चीज़ें बोल दी है. नाउ आई मेंशन 2 more things. First one being me being grateful for whatever I have right now. This year was crazy for me. I got a MacBook for real. I am actually shooting on it right now. The white लग रही है वो अलग बात है, ठीक है, but I never expected that I would get a MacBook. And I'm so much grateful for my parents. And I went on my first trek. I went for a marathon. That was my first time running a 5-kilometer run. Not easy guys, not at all easy, first time. And yeah, definitely मेरे को लगा कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ लाइफ में, मेरे से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. और उसी चीज़ के लिए मैंने सोचा है कि this year 2025 I will actually do it, and I will actually prove it to myself that you know what, I can do it. Also, this is my last teen age. I am 19. Next year definitely I won't be a teen anymore. I would be in my 20s. Like, I can't believe it, like, while I'm saying it. Life random है, but इतनी फास्ट भी है कि तुम्हें पता भी नहीं चलता है तुम कब A से B में चले गए. समझ रहे हो? तो बहुत, आई डोंट नो, 19 वंस आई एंटर इन माई 20s, रियलिटी ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ है. अगर करियर में कुछ किया नहीं तो I have actually wasted my time then. These are the thoughts that are going to come up in my mind in my 20s. But okay, whatever. If it's meant to be, if I'm meant to be 20, let it be. It's like, just chill, take a chill, and yeah, do your best. The thing that I am actually grateful for is actually the basic things that I have in my life. Like, I have a family, I have a house, I have my own room, I have a laptop to study on, I have every basic thing that I need, which I don't think some people have. We had a subject where हमें ऑर्फनेज में जाना रहता था ऑन सैटरडेज टू टीच चिल्ड्रन. तो बेसिकली वहाँ पे हर सैटरडे आई डोंट नो वहाँ पे ऐसा जाके रियलिटी हिट हुई मेरे को कि they don't have all the basic things, all the things that we have, like buzz head, time to time we get our meals, time to time we get everything that we want, and still we always want more. So I should actually be thankful for what I have in my life. And yeah, that is it. I am also grateful for the guts that I have taken to start a YouTube channel. मैंने तो एक अपना खुद का ये यूट्यूब वीडियो भी बनाया जिसमें आई यूज़ टू मेक ब्रेड्स एंड ऑल. आई यूज़ टू लाइक स्टाइलिंग माई हेयर इन डिफरेंट वेज एंड जस्ट लुक प्रिटी. आई डोंट नो, इट डजंट फील राइट. अभी टाइम नहीं आया है, ये नहीं आया, वो नहीं आया. मुझे अभी भी लगता है टाइम नहीं आया है, बट मुझे पता नहीं क्यों मैंने चालू कर दिया है. मुझे सच में देखना है कि हाउ दिस जर्नी टेक्स मी समवेयर, how I become someone who I always dreamt of. So yeah, maybe I'm just working myself out to be a better person and achieve my goals. The 10th thing, this has to be something important, right? I should think about it. Let me think. The 10th thing that I have actually learned is no one really cares. Don't think so much. This is one mistake that I always did. I always thought a lot behind anything that I did. मैं वीडियो डालती थी, मैंने फर्स्ट वीडियो डाला, मैंने कितना सोचा है कि ओ माई गॉड, ये इंसान क्या सोचेगा, वो इंसान क्या सोचेगा, मे बी माई पेरेंट्स वॉन्ट लाइक इट. बट आफ्टर वन पॉइंट आई वॉज लाइक, नो वन एक्चुअली केयर्स दैट मच. आई कैन डू वॉट आई वॉन्ट बिकॉज यू हैव वन लाइफ, राइट? You can't just waste it overthinking. At the end, I would like to say that Happy New Year. I hope 2025 is your year. This is the year I actually do things which I've always wanted to do. I go as per my vision board, and yeah, I hope you liked this video. Traumatic, emotional, whatever. I think I should stop talking. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.